Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'll be reading the test Types of Rocks for you. Before we get started, I want you to know that if at any time you need to have the question reread to you, all you need to do is hit stop, rewind, and play again. Okay, let's get started. Oh, one more quick thing. You'll notice you have 4 choices, and I will only be reading 3. I already have one of those deleted for you or edited for you. So, here we go. Rocks. Multiple choice. Identify the letter of the choice that best completes the statement and answers a question. Remember to place your answer in the blank before the number. Number 1. When all the grains in a rock are large and easy to see, the rock is described as A. Extrusive, B. Fine grained, C. Coarse grained. Number 2. The rock that forms from the cooling of magma below the surface or lava at the surface is called A. Sedimentary rock, C. Igneous rock, or D. Coarse grained rock. Number 3. Where does most metamorphic rock form? B. Just below the surface, C. In the ocean waters, D. Deep underground. Number 4. Igneous rocks that forms from lava that erupted onto Earth's surface is called A. Extrusive rock, B. Intrusive rock, C. Clastic rock. Number 5. The most abundant intrusive rock in the continent crust is A. Slate, B. Granite, C. Flint. Number 6. The process by which sediment settles out of the water or when carrying it is A. Compaction, B. Sedimentation, C. Deposition. Number 7. To describe the rock's texture, geologists determine B. How the rock is formed, C. The size, shape, and pattern of the rock's grains, or D. How many minerals the rock contains. Number 8. A sedimentary rock made up of the rock fragments with rounded edges is called A. Shale, B. Sandstone, G. Conglomerate. Sorry. Okay, turn your page. Side 2. Number 9. Chalk form from sediments made of skeletons of microscopic living things in the ocean must be A. Clastic rock, B. Organic rock, C. Chemical rock. Number 10. What forms the structure called a coral reef? Is it A. Skeletons of coral animals, B. Deposits of coral rock, or C. Sedimentation of crystals? Number 11. What happens to a coral reef if the sea level rises or the sea floor sinks? B. It is not affected. C. It continues to grow upward, or D. It grows downward. Number 12. Over time, coral buried by sediments can turn into A. Granite, B. Limestone, C. Coal. Number 13. Heat and pressure deep beneath Earth's surface can change any rock into B. Gemstones, C. Metamorphic rock, C. Sedimentary rock. Number 14. The heat that changes rock into a metamorphic rock comes from A. The heat of the mantle, B. The sun, C. The movements in the crust. Number 15. Geologists classify metamorphic rock according to A. The exterior color of the rock, B. The overall shape of the rock, and C. The arrangements of the grains that make up the rock. Number 16. The texture of a metamorphic rock that has grains arranged in parallel layers is described as A. Foliated, B. Jagged grains, or C. Coarse grains. Number 17. Metamorphic rocks that are non-foliated, B. Do not split into layers, C. Have mineral grains lined up into parallel layers, or D. Usually have a rough texture. And now for your last page, page 3. Number 18. A series of processes on Earth's surface in the crust and mantle that slowly changes rock from one kind to another is called A. Erosion, B. Crystallization, C. The rock cycle. Number 19. What are the two most useful metamorphic rocks? Is it A. Sandstone and quartzite, B. Marble and slate, C. Limestone and breccia? Number 20. During the rock cycle, a collision between two continental plates could force one plate down towards the heat of the mantle, producing A. Coarse grain rocks, B. Metamorphic rock, D. Sedimentary rock. Number 21. The sedimentary rock, breccia, is made up of A. Rock fragments with sharp edges, B. Skeletons of ocean organisms, or C. Plant remains. Number 22. The process in which dissolved minerals crystallize and glue particles of sediment rock together is A. Sedimentation, B. Deposition, D. Erosion. And lastly, number 23. Generally, a rock is made up of A. Large crystals, B. A mixture of minerals and other materials, or C. Small crystals. Now remember, if you need any of those questions reread to you, just hit stop and rewind and play again. Thanks, and I hope this was helpful for you completing your test.